Hello everyone. In this video I will explain you the switch case statement in Java. Switch case statement in Java is a conditional statement like you have learned if as statement, if as later. So that is a very similar to the if as later statement. In switch case we can compare either integer or character. Remember this is the limit of a switch case. Here we cannot use the logical operators like that. For the condition here we can compare only integer or character. Then switch statement compare the integer value or a corresponding character value to the corresponding case statement, and if both the values are same then that block or that part will be executed. So it is very similar like in if it will compare, if both the values are same then that will be executed. Now here they will compare, and in if statement what is the difference? If that value is true then that part is executed. Here if both the values are same then only that part is executed. So the syntax of switch is like this: switch integer or you can put any character, then curly bracket case 1. Now here statements. Now in the statements it is like a if statement. Either you can put the brackets, curly bracket or not, it is not compulsory. After case 1 is over then put the break. Now here it is not compulsory like case 1, you can write down case A, B, C, any character also. Then same way case 2 and the statements for the case 2, and then break, and after you can write down case 3, case 4, whatever, how many cases or a comparison you want, and at the last like you are writing as statements, here you will write down default. So if none of the condition or none of the comparison will be true, then the default part will be executed. So this is the syntax of a switch case statement. Now I will show you the one program of a switch case statement, how to write down a program using switch case and how to run it. Now this is the program of a switch case statement. Like same thing we write down import then space java.io, then public class program 5, I have given the name file. Now here in this program I will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two numbers based on the input. Means if I give the A and B are the two numbers, here we will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication of division of these two numbers, and C is your choice. According to your choice will perform. Like if you enter 1 then it will show you the sum of two numbers A and B, and if you enter 2 press 2 then it will show the difference. Same way if you press 3 then it will show you the product, and if you enter 4 then it will show you the division. So in this program here C is your choice, like based on your choice it will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So inside the switch, remember switch you have to write down in a small letter, then C, that is I have used integer, C I have declared here. Now case 1. So if you enter, when you run the program, if you enter 1, so value of C is 1. So case 1, now if you enter value of C is 1 then this case 1 is true. Then it will perform the addition of two numbers and show you the output sum equals to A plus B. Then break. Break means it will come out from the switch case. After that, if case 1 is executed, then case 2 will not executed, case 3, case 4 not executed, and default is also not going to be executed. Now here, remember that if you don't put the break here, if you don't put the break, then it is on as a fall through in the switch case. That details you will learn in the higher classes. If you don't put the break here, then what happen? After case 1, case 2 will be executed. Remember that the statement, if you don't put the break, then after case 1, case 2 will be also executed. Until it will not get the break statement, it will not come out from the switch case statement. When it will be executed break statement, then only it comes out from the switch case. So remember break is compulsory. If you don't put the break then what happen? If you press 1 then addition is going to be also printed and difference is also going to be printed. When the compiler gets a break, then it will come out from the switch case. So case 1 for addition sum, case 2 for subtraction, case 3, remember here this is a colon, not a semicolon. After case it is a colon, then case, then give the 1 space, then put the value 3 colon, then rest of the thing is same, product, then this is for division, and default it will give the please enter the correct choice. Please enter the correct choice. If you suppose it is used, like you will press 5. If you press 5 in your choice, then none of the choice is correct. So it will give the message, please enter the correct choice. So this is a program for the switch case statement. Now I will compile the program. Go to the compile. Now here no syntax error. So close this program. I hope all of you know how to run the program. Then this program, right click over there, void main, enter the value, like I am entering 6, then C7, then choice, press F1, then we will get the output sum equals to 13. This is the previous output, clear it. Now again run the same program, like here, if you get the incorrect choice, like writing 6, then 7, and then you will get the another choice, like not from 1 to 3 4. If you give the 5, then please enter correct choice. This will output will be come. So this is a program for a switch case statement. Write down this kind of program in a computer or a mobile phone and try to run this program. Write down this program in a copy also. So remember, you have to learn what is a switch case statement, then its syntax and program. So write down the notes in a copy. Thank you all of you.